and now it's time to create our ad itself. We'll start by giving our ad a name. I'll just name this test ad. And we'll take a look at our ad format. Here we have a few different types of ad formats to choose from. So let's quickly break down each of them to understand why you would want to use them. First up, we have the single image or video ad. This is great for quick promotions, offers, or driving traffic. I would aim for 6 to 10 second videos to get the best results here. Next, we have the story ad. This is a series of images or clips that will show up in the Discover feed. This is great for product demos, storytelling, or deeper engagement, and it's one of the best formats for beginners. Then we have the collection ad. This lets you showcase multiple products with a swipeable carousel. This is really good for e-commerce brands with several items to feature. Next up is the commercial ad. This will play as a short, unskippable video. This is really good for brand awareness or polished promotions. It works best when you have a high budget and high quality creatives. Then lastly, we have the AR ad. This is an interactive lens or a filter that users can engage with. These are much more advanced than the previous ad types, and they're really great for bigger brands or campaigns with higher budgets.